Hello everyone, my name is Ajay and in this video we will see what is Universal Module Bundle for Travel Track and what it contains and how we can get that. So this is the description page of the Universal Module Bundle from where you can buy this. So basically what it contains all the existing modules plus all the future modules that is going to be released in future free of cost. So you just have to pay once and enjoy all modules for lifetime. This universal bundle contains the following modules: kiosk, inventory, multi-kitchen, subdomain backup, language, cache, register, SMS, and all the future modules will also come in it as it is released. So you don't have to pay for those modules. Here you can see the list of some of the upcoming modules. It will keep growing as we plan the modules. So hope what is Universal Module Bundle is clear to you. One more thing, this Universal Module Bundle do not have the main application. You need to buy the main application separately. So let's jump to how we can install it and how we can update if a new module comes in it. So here is the Table Track application. We will have to log in as super admin. Then jump to custom modules from top right corner. Click on install and update, and here upload the module. Click here and select the module that you downloaded from the CodeCanyon. After that, click on install. So here you can see the list of all the modules currently present in the Universal Bundle. So you just have to enter the purchase code and start clicking install one by one. Let me quickly install all. So here we have installed almost all the modules except one subdomain module. So for subdomain module installing and activating, I would suggest first go to the subdomain module documentation and check the video carefully, because we need to enable the wildcard subdomain on your server before activating the subdomain module. Otherwise the application will crash. Let me first click on this module. The module is installed and activated, but you need to follow the video guide which you can get from here. This is the video. And after activating, the super admin URL also changes to this one. Please note down this URL. For now I am deactivating the subdomain module as this video is not related to the subdomain module. This is basically what is Universal Bundle. So let me deactivate that. Now suppose new module or new update comes in this Universal Bundle, how we will get that? So whenever new update comes or new module comes to the Universal Bundle, you will get a message of update to the right side of the Universal Bundle. So you just have to click this update button, and if your support is expired, you need to renew the support, and if your support is not expired, you will just have to click on, let me show that also. So now if your support is not expired, you will get this pop-up and you just have to click on confirm. Then it will download new Universal Bundle zip from the server and extract to your server. And here you can see we now have a kiosk module update available. You just have to click install and this module will be updated or installed if it's pressed. So as you can see, kiosk module is also installed and this button will go away. So hope everything is now clear to you regarding the Universal Module Bundle. Let me summarize it. This Universal Module Bundle contains all the existing modules and all the future modules will come to you free of cost.